mommy, then these questions will be in your mind. Am I giving right amount of breast milk to my baby, or my baby is not drinking my breast milk, or when should I give breast milk to my baby, how many times should I give, and only breast milk should I give to my baby, how many months should I give. These kind of questions will be there in your mind if you are thinking to breastfeed your baby. So these questions will be answering in this video, and these all things are like followed by me, and and my baby, me, we both are enjoyed a lot breastfeeding time. So let's start, guys. If you're watching for first time my videos, kindly subscribe to my channel and like and share to all moms out there. In this Dazzling Mama channel, I will be sharing with you all mom and baby related tips which worked for me actually. So I hope you all going to enjoy this video. Let's well, these questions we are gonna answer in this video, so one by one. Firstly, breast milk and breastfeeding is a magical thing for a mom and a baby. By default, after birth, the mom will get breast milk, and the baby will also have a mechanism how to drink milk from mom. So no need to worry how to teach my baby to drink breast milk or something, because they know already how to drink, and even your body knows how to feed. So no need to worry about that question. You just have to, because you have gone through so much things, and your body is so much tired after birth, so it will be little tiredness or a scary thing, because motherhood is a scary thing first of all. So don't be scared, and try to enjoy it, and try to give feeding to your baby. Ask your nurse or a mom or a mother-in-law, whoever will be there around you. They will be teaching you, obviously. On, like, time going, you will get it, and your baby will also get it, first thing. And next thing, breastfeeding. Breast milk is the best food for baby, any baby in this world. And breast milk has a lot of benefits. It has many nutrients, many vitamins which baby body needs, and it has very high amount of immune boosters. And in this situation, corona time, baby needs more immune power. So don't go for any other options like formula milk or cow milk, anything. Don't do all those things. Just try to give breastfeeding to your baby. Your baby will be safe from all the allergies, all the whatever things to your baby. So when should I feed my baby? First feed. So after a birth, immediately you can feed your baby whenever it is possible for you, because if you're a normal delivery mom, definitely after half an hour the baby health checkup, everything will be done. So at that time you can give. Next, if you're a C-section mom, obviously your body has gone through many stages, and your body has taken so much of anesthesia and lot of medicines. So that medicines are not good for baby. So doctors will be suggesting you to take 2 to 4 hours break and then give milk to your baby. So like this first time, whatever you are getting, that is cholesterol milk. So this cholesterol milk is the best for baby. So in olden days, our moms and grandmas, they don't prefer cholesterol milk. That is the reason these vaccinations and all came. But now doctors have, every doctor will suggest and recommend you to give cholesterol milk to your baby. These cholesterol milk will look like just a water, and it won't be a huge quantity, guys, because your baby tummy is a very small, like badam size or a cherry size. So these tummy will need only few drops of cholesterol milk. So if you're giving this cholesterol milk, like, you don't worry that this is not going to sufficient, so I'll give along with this I'll give formula milk or whatever. Don't go. These drops will be enough for your baby. And meanwhile, if your baby need more, your body will produce more milk. So just understand that. So our body just works like a what we say, demand and supply policy. So you don't need to worry that my milk is not sufficient, my baby. No. In meanwhile, if you are starting feeding, your supply will be less. At the same time, your baby body needs very less, but after a few weeks later on, your body will know how much to produce. So just think about that, and start giving feeding and think positive. How frequently should I feed my baby? So this is the biggest question for every mom, I know, because even I had that question in my mind after coming to home with my baby. So I just gone through so many researches. So what I did is, starting I didn't know how many hours my baby needs to feed. So I, like, every 2 to 3 hours I used to feed my baby, and he was happy and I was happy. And then I just read an article in that they were saying, no need to feed your baby whenever you think the time is up. No, here also you just follow demand and supply policy, guys. So whenever your baby is hungry, like, when baby is crying, he might be hungry, or diaper is wet or something. So just, you just check, give breast milk when your baby is crying, try to feed. If your baby is not taking milk, that means he is not hungry, so, or she is not hungry. So just go for diaper changing or anything, and don't think whenever your baby is crying your baby is hungry, because there are so many things around going on with your baby. If baby is crying, maybe temperature, maybe dresses, maybe diaper is wet. So this is again a huge concept we will be discussing at next video. So here about breastfeeding, just follow like demand and supply policy again. If your baby is hungry, just try to feed. If your baby is not taking, that means he is not hungry. Even your body will understand, okay, my baby is not hungry now, so I no need to produce more, so only this quantity is enough, so that you have so much nutrients in your body, as well as you are producing a right amount of milk to your baby. So just keep this in your mind, guys. The biggest secret for a happy breastfeeding mom is, like, if you are happy, your baby will be happy. So while you are feeding, just try to hum yourself, like sing some songs, or like, be happy. Keep your happy thoughts in your mind. If you have some kind of questions, like negativity in your mind, your baby will also observe that negativity and think, my mom is not happy while feeding to me, so I don't want to take your milk. So like that, don't think that I'm telling some story or anything. No, this is like proven, guys. If you are happy while feeding, your baby will take more milk and your baby will be happy. And till 6 months age, your baby don't need anything except breastfeeding. Any doctor you go, they'll be suggesting same thing. So along with breast milk, okay, let me give some powder milk because maybe this is not enough. So like that, don't think, because if you are giving that and this, your baby body will get confused, as well as your body will think, okay, baby doesn't need so much of milk, so I don't produce. So ultimately you are stopping your breastfeed, what we say, quantity whenever your baby needs. So even your baby will also get confused. Are one time I'm getting with the milk, like thick formula milk, and one time we are getting a breast milk which is sweet. So two tastes and two different types of qualities and two different types of nutrients. These things will make your baby body confused. So just go with one, and till 6 months don't give anything except breast milk. I hope all the points I covered in this video. If I miss one or two, kindly comment below, I can answer you there. And if you are watching till there here, then please subscribe here and like and share this video to all moms out there. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you at next video. Bye bye, take care.